आपको लगता है अगर गौरव ने फरहाना को वापस शो में नहीं लाया होता तो वो जो फिनाले का सीन है वहाँ जितने लोग खड़े थे वो डायनामिक ही पूरा बदल जाता?
मेरे लिए टॉप 5 देयर वर डिफरेंट पीपल आल्सो इन माय हेड इफ यू आस्क मी.
Which ones?
For me it was Tanya would be there, Farhana would be there. I thought Basir and Abhishek Bajaj would be there. And then somewhere I saw like me or GK or like maybe I also felt Shehbaz also at some point of time in the game. But वो हर हफ्ते the way things would go, how वो luck का भी factor है. आप किन के साथ nominations में गिरते हो. They were unlucky also, certain would fall a certain way. So ऐसी चीजें भी होती है. So I think predicting it was tough. But I think when Gaurav brought her back, I think he brought back his own competition, which is fine. But he didn't think, उन्होंने सोचा नहीं था कि इतना लंबा खेलेगी लड़की. And I think she did her bit and like she fought hard. I think that is because coming from, क्योंकि पहले मेरी और उसकी सबसे ज्यादा अनबन होती थी. Towards the end, we also figured it out with each other कि we don't need to like fight on everything. वो sibling rivalry जैसी थी मेरी उसके साथ. She would remind me of many instances, you know, like I've seen such anger before and I've seen people go through this. And she had more, you know, coming from a certain place and expectations. So I think वो जो एक गुस्सा है कि उसको पूरे घर ने निकाला तो that became her fuel. तो वो end तक लेके गई वो आग. So Gaurav, if he had not chosen her, I think maybe, and if Praneeth would have not removed Bajaj, then maybe the top 5 would have played out a little differently because I felt that there were days when other people also were strong. But वो शायद कैसे आता है, how it's narrated outside to the audience, I don't know. But I'm glad that he brought her back क्योंकि that's a good move. क्योंकि किसी को चांस ही नहीं मिला अपना पर्सनालिटी शो करना और उससे पहले ही सबने किया. मेरे साथ शी हैड लाइक आई हैड आस्क्ड हर, एक सूटकेस था मेरा जब घर में आया मैं. आई डोंट नो इफ दैट केम और नॉट. आई टोल्ड फरहाना से थोड़ा अपना बैग जस्ट शिफ्ट. तो शी गेव मी दैट होल स्टोन कोल्ड एज अ फेस एंड ऐसे कि मेरे को ईगो में. तो मैंने बोला ये मतलब गई है. तो मैंने तभी डिसाइड किया आई आल्सो लाइक पुट हर आउट ऑफ द हाउस बिकॉज शी अर्क्ड पीपल. बट व्हेन शी केम बैक आई थिंक देयर वाज लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ you feel ना कि मेरे को कैसे निकाला इस घर से. Anyone feels it when you're evicted. So she brought back that game and I think Gaurav tackled her in his own way. So, you know, he was also right in his approach. We would not maybe feel it's a certain way for the Big Boss world. But then kya pata? People love what they see. I think they liked what Farhana did also to everyone in the house. She was a catalyst in a way. And she liked people, like the way some people had a certain way of responding. I think that whole सबका कैरेक्टर आर्क इतना निकल गया है कि आप हर हफ्ते सब लोग प्रेडिक्ट करते थे घर में, अच्छा ये होगा टॉप 5, अच्छा ये होंगे. जो बोलते थे कि मैं होऊंगा वो रहे ही नहीं. So we cannot actually plan it out. But I always felt because GK is someone who I always felt would somehow come through because his love and adulation is top. Like he's a TV star. You can't easily beat as a TV star on his own platform. It's like fighting with me in a music task.
Correct.
आपको हारना ही है.
Absolutely. So आपने घर में एक मिस्ट्री गर्ल की बात की थी.
हाँ, मैं उसकी बात अब नहीं करूँगा. हाँ, बट ये बोलते तो जो घर में थे वो कभी नहीं थे. ये अब भी क्लियर कर देता हूँ. जितने भी लड़कियां घर में थी वो मेरी मिस्ट्री गर्ल नहीं है. जो आए गए थे कोई नहीं. जिसने जो बोला है I want to quash it completely. None of the girls of the house were of my interest. They were co-contestants and they were friends till a certain point जब तक दोस्ती थी. And I have full respect for them. Not trying to belittle them, but I want to make it clear. मैं आपको बताऊंगा नहीं मैं किसे पसंद करता हूँ. मैं मुझे लगेगा सही मैं बताऊंगा. But none of the girls of the house. Please don't connect me to anyone. Even respect them क्योंकि उन लोगों को भी बाद में it'll be a problem in their life. Let them have their own individual thing. क्योंकि मैं हर दिन देख रहा हूँ ये with too many girls of the house, कोई fan, what is a ship कर रहे, कोई Farmal and this and that. It's sweet, but I don't want to be a boj on them or bring my own self into such a personal वाला controversy. Know me for my great and my real self.
Yeah.
ये छोड़ दो थोड़ा.
ठीक है. तो फरहाना भट्ट ने मेरे इंटरव्यू में कहा था, आई इंटरव्यू हर.
बोलिए.
देखा आपने?
हाँ मैंने देखा. मेरे को भेज दिए सब लोग. मेरे हर दिन सब जो जहाँ मेरा नाम आ रहा है, क्या बोल रहे हैं नहीं बोल रहे सब आ रहा है. आप पूछो.
तो उन्होंने उसमें ये कहा था कि इट्स नॉट वेरी इजी टू forgive and forget the whole incident that happened where you
Yeah.
broke the plate, but she also said कि जैसा आपने कहा कि वो एक sibling rivalry है, so she has let it go. But
Yeah.
now that you, in hindsight, when you think about that situation, do you have regret?
Obviously, little bit you don't realize in your moment of rage. I think my whole life, I've always been very emotional. मेरा हर reaction दिल से आता है. So, some things, some lines get crossed. And I didn't want to, really take her food or break that plate. But my only thing was कि captaincy है. Even Salman sir said, चलो task है, दे दिया आपने, like, you're fighting for it. It's at the end, it's a fight to the finish, strongest वाला सवाल है. बट जब पूरे घर you're seeing, आप गेज कर सकते हैं ना कि पूरा घर भरा हुआ है, सब लोग अपने फैमिली को मिस कर रहे हैं. आई वॉज द लास्ट पर्सन हु सेड कि आई वॉज ओके. आई वॉज लाइक मैं किसी का नहीं कभी टेयर करूंगा. एंड व्हेन आई गॉट हर लेटर आई गेव इट टू हर. एंड वी हैड अ टेरेबल फाइट द डे बिफोर. उसने कुछ बर्तनों के टाइम पे देयर वाज समथिंग, इतना फनी लगता है, ऐसा लगता है कोई मूवी है. बट there was a time when we were doing the dishes and she misbehaved with me and she did ऐसा इशारा. I said, that I will not appreciate. So मैंने अपनी पॉइंट बहुत रिस्पेक्टफुली, हाँ टोन लाउड होती है क्योंकि when someone is here and I am here and then that person keeps climbing, so I also go for it. But now Neelam is, I'll tell you, for me, in the whole house, someone who feels like God's child, who was a real soul, who didn't try कि Big Boss में कैसी दिख रही हो या मैं क्या गेम करूँ, was that girl. So when the task was announced, all the girls, some of the guys, everyone was emotional कि घर से चिट्ठी आई. It was feeling like हम लोग को कभी कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. पहले लोग जैसे सालों दर साल लगे, when army officers are years away, and that kind of feeling people were feeling, कुने का मैम they all भर गए थे. So when you see that environment, I think समझदारी उसको लेनी चाहिए थी. I felt कि you should have just said, मेरे हिसाब से, gone to Neelam and said, और एवरीवन जस्ट सामने, अब सब लोग, आप पूरे घर को से बोल देते हैं कि देखो मुझे कैप्टन बनना है. तो अगर मैं इसके लिए करने वाली हूँ, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, आई एम गोना बी रियली रिग्रेटफुल व्हाइल डूइंग इट, बट मैं पहले ही बोल देती हूँ. दैट थिंग आई वुड हैव रिस्पेक्टेड. आफ्टर यू विन एंड यू डू दिस एंड यू टेयर समवन, दैट गर्ल इज वाइब्रेटिंग, शी इज नॉट बीइंग एबल टू ब्रीथ. आप उससे जाके तब के तब सॉरी भी ना बोलो, जाके खाना खाओ, फिर गार्डन में आप ऐसे झूमो, do that fun dance. So I felt insensitive कर रही है ये. I said वो already कोई तड़प रहा, आप उसको और जले पे नमक छिड़ रहे हो. That I didn't like at all. So I was like, how do you feel hungry? That's my normal human being reaction है भाई. आप किसी के साथ ये करके तेरे को भूख कैसे लगी? And she had no regret. She smoked. So in that moment I lost my cool, which was a mistake. Fully I regret that. But मेरे intention कुछ hero बनने के या try to do some drama नहीं थे. Neelam was my friend. And I saw that she was not wrong. और उसके साथ जब पूरा घर तैयार था to sacrifice the captaincy, कितने हफ्ते हमने बिना कैप्टन भी ठीक ठाक चला है घर. Some people would fight, but we are not that. तीसरी कक्षा के बच्चे नहीं आए थे. But so we could have handled the house. नहीं रहता कैप्टन यार एक हफ्ता, क्या हो जाता. इम्यूनिटी चाहिए आपको, गेम पे कॉन्फिडेंस. And I later when we spoke, I told her, I said, Farhana, you have played terrifically. You've gone challenged everyone, not caring वो कहाँ से किधर से. बट यू फॉरगेट, लाइक मैं अगर 15 माले तक चढ़ जाता हूँ इन गुस्सा, यू रीच 150th फ्लोर. सो दैट इज समथिंग एवरीवन इन द हाउस वुड देन कम टू मी टू कंट्रोल हर, क्योंकि वो सुनती मेरी थी और मैक्स टू मैक्स बसीर की. शी वुड नॉट कम इन कंट्रोल ऑफ एनीवन इज बिकमिंग अ कैप्टन. डरते थे कि भाई इसको कंट्रोल कैसे करे, तो छोड़ देगी ड्यूटी, ये करेगी वो करेगी. So with time, I also understood how to maneuver with her. Some people have a different approach. बाद में in my captaincy, she देर से किया, but she did duties. She came to feed me food also. So I understood how to navigate with her. But because we have a lot of clash and everything in this house, I will also say that पहली बार में जब लोग किसी चीज को मान लेते ना, तो they feel अरे मैंने given कर दिया national television पे, मैं हार गया. Their mindset, if you tell me कि listen, shut this door, I say नहीं, बाद में करूँगा. पहले में कोई yes बोल रहा ही नहीं था उस घर में. They all were feeling like हम क्यों हाँ बोले, हम छोटे दिखेंगे. Ego. Yes, so those clashes started happening from her. Then I put my mind to it. I said she's 8-9 years younger to me. She has gone through her own trauma. I have also been through my own thing. I said, so I went up to her. I said, I'm really sorry. about what I spoke about you, your profession, auntie. Then I met her mom also. She was also like a cute, tender coconut, darling lady she was. And she came and roasted us. She didn't make us feel less at all, you know, because we had spoken like that. Me also, Shehbaz also at a point. But I think when we both apologized, I told her, I said, when my dad came and, you know, he was crying and I was also like weeping. I said, उस time पे तेरे को हंसी आ रही थी. Which later, so I felt that we both have had so many mistakes. बहुत मुश्किल होता है करना. I think I salute myself and her for managing after so much, because in the real outside world, मेरे पिता को या मेरे फैमिली को कोई कुछ आधा सेंटीमीटर बोले, मैं उसकी जिंदगी खराब कर दूं.
Which is awesome.
I'm crazy about that. For me, I will go after them without anything. So for me to let that go, I think दोनों तरफ से वो था. We both kept coming closer as friends later, because I used to say almost friend I used to call her. Because I was like 100% मैं अपने किसी दोस्त के साथ खुद आज भी नहीं हूँ. If they are wrong, my friends also, and if I am wrong today, I let my friends come and tell me, bro, you screwed up. So that is how I am as a friend. And she never wanted that. She's like, नहीं मैं गलत हूँ तो भी मेरे साथ खड़े रहे. So I was like, ये मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. So she understood my ideals and my way of thinking, and later she also adjusted to it. Later she would make chai for me, I would make omelette for her. We became good friends.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.